Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about this landing page that I recently saw. This is the 11 Labs Studio landing page, and it is like a video editor for mostly audio. So if you want to record something like voiceovers, audiobooks, something, you can use this. But the this landing page was very neat and it's very minimal, and I really liked it. So I just want to talk about why it's good. So the main thing is they aren't distracting you with lots of effects, scroll hijacking and things like that. It's very simple and it tells the point of the landing page, which is the best AI audio models in one powerful editor. So and they have a subsection for telling what it really is, and a big image for what it is really. So I really like that, and they have all these icons which really explains it, and this header now changes into just a sign up button, which is also another good idea, I think, because if they're scrolling down they probably don't need these navigation in the way. So that's good, and I really like this feature section with the images changing as we scroll, which is also another good thing without really hijacking the scrolling. They make something with this which makes sense, and it's very easy to scroll through and know what's happening. And these image selections, it's probably generated in AI, but the image selection is also good everywhere. And this like bento section, I really don't usually don't like sections like this, which your eyes go from everywhere, but they made it somewhat pleasing to look at. And this section also, the video creators audio who this is for section. So this also, the mostly the images go with the landing page, so that's a big plus. And I really liked how they show the code also for developers, so that's also a good thing. And frequently asked questions and the footer. So it's a typical landing page structure with the hero, the features, more features, who it is for, and the frequently asked questions. They don't have testimonials, but that's fine. But and the footer. So but I really liked how the design is, how minimal it is, how aesthetically pleasing it is. So yeah, go check it out. All the 11 labs landing pages are good, but I really like that one. But yeah, go check it out, and you might learn something more about design. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.